I've been attached with the feeling of now waking up with you by my side.
Alam naman natin na ito ang ating Bel Mariano ay isa talagang mabait na anak sa kanyang parents na sila Mami Kat. At talagang dahil nga rin dito ay talagang itong ating Bel ay meron na ngang hinandang sorpresa para ngayong darating na Christmas sa kanyang pamilya, na alam naman natin na talagang itong ating Bel ay meron nga raw silang tradition every Christmas. At narito nga guys ang pag-uusapan natin, ang video nga binahagi ng ating Bel sa kanyang social media account. Sabay-sabay nating panoorin.
Okay, Christmas gift list. Kaya pwede kong bilhin sa kanila. I know just the perfect gift for them, V Jewelry. Okay, let's check out their website. For mom, maybe something classic. Simple but also elegant. There. Oh, this is perfect. How about for Sandino? This one. Chill but stylish. Perfect for his everyday outfits. And for my sisters, how about matching bracelets? One for Niela and one for Tali. There you go. Now we're all set for Christmas. Now it's your turn to buy the perfect gift at V Jewelry.
Ayon pa nga guys sa caption dito ng ating Bel, all done shopping and officially in my holiday feels. Can't wait for my family to see what I got them. Hashtag holiday mood activated. Hashtag B Jewelry. Alam naman natin na itong ang ating Bel ay ambassador nga ng B Jewelry. Kaya naman umani pa nga ito ng maraming komento. Stay tuned lang tayo for more update kila Donnie at Bel sa mga susunod pa na ayuda.